Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we will be on Hypixel playing zombies, as you can see here. We're just going to play this one, Dead End. Well basically, in my last video of Hypixel, I played Build Battle. I had played that like a few times before, yeah. But I've actually never played this one, so... What's this? Oh. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, I've actually never played zombies, so I'm really excited, and I hope that it's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, so this is our first round. So well, it said round one, but I don't really know what I'm meant to like do. Oh, okay. So the zombies over here. Okay, I want to see how long I can survive. Take this. Take that. Okay, I'm repairing this. Okay, it's repaired. Wait, can I repair it anymore? Oh. Leave me alone. May the power of Christ compel you. What's over here? Ah! Oh god, now there's zombies over here. Leave me alone! Okay, it's being built again. Oh god. Take that. Ah! Ah! Shoot. Okay, sneak. Take this. Okay. Round 4. I'm not sure, like, where all the zombies come from. Wait. 750 gold. I have 500 gold. Also over here. Ow. I've just been hit. Take this. Repair. Quick. Okay, it's repaired, I think. Yes. Okay, take this. Okay, no zombies in there. I'm gonna quickly have a look see if there's any zombies over here. Oh, there are. Oh god, there's so many zombies. Oh god. Stop attacking him. Take that. Take this. Take that. Ah. Zombie dogs. Ah. Take that. Oh god, I have... Oh, okay, I'm healing really quick. I'm gonna open this door. Oh. I opened the hotel. What's this? Lucky chest. Ah. Be gone, demon. Oh god. Oh, it's actually kind of scary. Take this. Leave me alone. Ah! Leave me alone. Ah! Ouch. I'm scared. I need 500 gold to get that rifle. I hit zombies up here. Oh wait. Or maybe they're down there, I don't know. Take this. Ouch. I'm being hit. What am I being hit by? Ah! Leave me alone. What's this? Gun 2? How long did I have this? What are these last 3 things? Oh, perks. Okay. There. Oh god. Shoot. Ah. Ouch. Oh god, I'm about... Oh, Help. I'm being revived. Oh, I was revived. Wait, was I? I can't move. Help. 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 I can't move. Oh, now I can. Oh, but I accidentally got rid of all of my stuff. Now I can't move again. Okay, I can move now. Run. I'm gonna go get this rifle from over here. Okay. Got this. Oh my god, I like this gun. Oh, I don't like these zombies though. Or dogs. Take that. I have a knife. Stab. Sniper. Ah! Take this. Come here. Come here. Come here. Take that. Take this, owl. Okay, it's dead. Well, that was the wrong button. That's the wrong button as well. Is it done? Okay, yeah, I think it's done. What's this? Iron leggings and boots. I don't have enough for that. I don't see any zombies, which is good. It can be good and bad, because I want gold, but I don't want to die. Hello? Who's there? Oh. I can get this. Ah! You scared me. You scary demon. Okay. I'm gonna shift over here to repair this. Ah! What are you? Okay. That's dead then. How long is this match going to last? I've been playing for ages. Help! I'm dying. I died. I'm dying. I can see inside my own body, which is just great. But I'm dying. Help. Yep, I died. Welp. At least I tried, I guess. I'm gonna play a game of Bed Wars. And I'm playing 3v3v3 v3. So 4 3s. We're about to start the game. Playing Bed Wars. Okay, here I am. Okay, we're here. I'm gonna go collect some iron and stuff. Because I need some stuff to help me kill these really stupid people. Okay. Taking all of this. Okay, I think that's enough. Stone sword. This. Oh wait, I can't. I don't have enough. I need blocks. Okay, I need to protect the bed since no one else did. Okay, did that. This. Okay, that's enough. Now let's go and kill some other people. I just died because I fell, and now I have to do all this again. For God's sake! Whew. Anyway, so I want iron swords. That is what I want right now. I just got killed by someone on the yellow team. Anyway, I'll probably just have to wait here getting stuff. So I just died, and my bed was destroyed right before I died. So, the game has ended for me, which makes me very sad. So, I'm not really sure what I should do now. I'm probably just going to end the video right here. Actually, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So, I played 2 matches, one of zombies, one of bed wars, yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Anyway, so I played 2 matches, one of zombies, one of bed wars. And, yeah, both were okay, I guess. But I eventually died in both of them. Stop spawning me at random people. Or things. Anyway, so, I can't even remember what I was going to say. Anyway, so, I'm just going to, like, finish the video right now. Anyway, so, thank you for watching. Stop freaking teleporting me to this. Jesus Christ. Anyway, thank you for watching. Watch all my other videos. Leave a like and subscribe. Leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.